What's up, everyone? Welcome to video 5 of the free Poshmark workshop.
We are going to show you how to package your Poshmark packages properly. Whoa, say that 5 times fast. I can't.
All right, let's get into it.
Let's do this.
So we always start out with a little bit of tissue paper. Karen uses pink tissue paper for her packages because these are mostly going to women. So she's going to wrap it in tissue paper real quick.
I hope these are going to a woman. I really hope.
Just like you wrap a present. It's real simple.
It's very simple.
If I can do it, anyone can do it.
Oh my goodness. Your Christmas packages or presents are going to get better this year because of this. We don't just want to shove it in a box.
You want to make it look nice, presentable, and people are paying top dollar for this stuff. They're not paying eBay prices. They're paying Poshmark prices. So they're putting a little more money into it. So the presentation is key.
Wait for this one. Boom. I have a set up.
Yeah, she got that for Christmas. She was super excited about that.
He was like, "What do you want for Christmas?" I was like, "You know, like an arts and crafts spool." And he's like, "What? Just send me a link." And then I have a little thank you card that goes on it.
These are all printed from Vistaprint, so we got like 1,500 of them for one price. It's
yeah.
She used to handwrite out thank you cards, but it would take forever and her hands would cramp up like crazy. So we went to the Vistaprint method, which is a lot more efficient
and cheaper. Like in the long run, we get enough cards. Yeah. And so, ooh, prize? You call it a prize?
I call it a prize. That is the free prize at the bottom of every cereal box.
I only do this on packages that are $15 or more because, like, granted, the pencil is, what did I think it was? Like,
you get like 10 for $1.
12 for $1. So yeah, change, but still, I $15 and above, they get a prize of a pencil. Very simple.
Curl the ribbon and stick it in the box.
Stick it in a box. Look at that! I have a handy.
Now you can use any type of box, any type of USPS box to ship with Poshmark. It can be priority, it can be flat rate, it can be regional.
Yeah, like this is flat
Any
rate.
box will work. They have a deal with the post office so that all boxes
shoes.
are working for shipping.
Anything but express. Anything red.
And it's all $6.49 for anything under 5 pounds. If it's over 5 pounds, you need to upgrade the shipping label, but the majority of the stuff we send out is under 5 pounds, so it's always going to be at that $6.49 price point.
And the pretty tape. It says package with Posh Love. So they know when they see it at their door what
that is their excellent Poshmark package.
Yeah. So
as you can tell, she takes a lot of pride in wrapping her packages.
Like a ninja.
This is what gets us repeat buyers. This is what gets people coming back to our closet to buy again and again is the packaging that she does.
Now we have a thermal printer, but you can also print PDF and just print it right out of your actual printer. Either way is fine. Poshmark allows both formats. All right, next.
All right, so we got a sale from both closets today, so I am going to wrap up a men's sale.
And
as you can tell, I use the green tissue paper. We sold a nice new tag shorts. Got them at Costco, sold them for never wore them, so we sold them.
He raided his own closet.
So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just wrapping it with tissue paper. Mine's a little sloppier than hers sometimes because I'm a guy. But I don't think the guys that are getting these packages mind that too much. So.
He doesn't use ribbon.
No, I use twine with my package. No pink ribbon.
No pink ribbon. No green ribbon either. He does use more tape. Stay on there. Definitely not moving.
My glasses are falling off my nose. Once that's done, we just flip it over and wrap it with twine. We're running out of twine.
No, I have another spool for you.
Yeah, chop it
Look at that.
Teamwork. There's no me and team. Oh, wait. That's not how it works. Oh, yeah, the card. Shoot.
Penguin.
And I put my card in there. I almost forgot. Put the Posh Penguin card in there. It's got nothing on the back. It's just very simple. Posh Penguin, so we brand every package.
We kind of have a thing for birds, apparently. Birds of a feather and all that stuff. So penguin and flamingo, they don't really have anything to do with one another, but they're birds.
And then I just tie it in a neat little bow and stick it in a box.
His are a little easier.
Mine are a little more simple, yeah. So it's very simple, minimalistic. It's nothing complicated. Everyone can do this.
More manly.
More manly, yeah.
More
we don't
manly.
use fake tissue paper or anything like that for the men.
Nope, no posh love for him.
And this is a priority mailbox. Again, you can use any box.
Not flat rate, it's just regular priority. Any box. Did you do it again?
Yeah,
You did it again.
There we go. Sometimes the tape gives me a little trouble.
It's a lot of tape. You love tape.
I love tape.
Yeah.
And I don't use the package with Posh Love tape. I don't really think that is appropriate for guys' packages, so I don't use that.
I'm girly girl.
And then slap the label on it. We have a thermal printer, so this makes shipping a lot more efficient. We're not using all the ink from our printer anymore. We're using just regular, this uses no ink and the labels just stick right on. So we're not wasting tape and we're not wasting ink. But that is pretty much how you'd wrap a Poshmark package.